Hi, my name is Nikolaus Correll. I'm the founder of Optio. Welcome to the Lean book review. Lean has been studied for more than 100 years now. It started with the Principles of Scientific Management by Frederick Taylor. This book is from 1911. There are many good books like All About Pull Production from Christoph Roser, Lean Robotics by Robotique, Cost Reduction by Joseph Burke, the Lean Six Sigma Pocketbook, the book we will talk about today, The Seven Deadly Wastes, something we wrote here at Optio, and Learning to See by Mike Rother. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the books. Today we will talk about the seven deadly wastes. I find wastes to be very intuitive. It's very easy to understand that there's something wrong in your practice. And we start the book with a very simple example on how to unload your dishwasher. So you've all done it many times, and maybe you noticed it's actually not as bad to load it, but it's very frustrating to unload it, and we talk about it why, and then use lean techniques like mapping out your value stream, creating flow, and then creating pull to improve what you're doing. I think it really helps to see what the seven deadly wastes are in a practical example. And then it also shows you what your value actually is that you're improving on, because in the first iteration you improve for time, but then you might realize that you're wasting energy or water, which you don't want, so you have to rethink the process and optimize so that you save time and energy. And this is very much what you have to do in lean optimization in your company, where your goal changes all the time. So then the book goes on with the 5 steps to lean. It then talks about the 7 deadly wastes with lots of examples from real-world factories, and then explains on how to implement lean practices in your team. Lean does not work if you are the only person who understands it. And it's not only all your workers, it's also sales and marketing. You have to be on board and understand what the customer value is that they're selling, and you have to understand on how to get it done. We talk about lean and robotics. We talk about games that you can play with your colleagues, for instance the airplane game, where you have a team of 8 people making a manufacturing line, making paper airplanes, where you can beautifully see the difference between push and pull. You can download the instruction sheets on our website, optio.cloud. We then explain lead time and how it works, a little law, a little bit of math. We then come to overall equipment effectiveness and how to use it to OEE to optimize your environment and measure quantities of interest. And then finally we come to part 2 of the book, which is actually how to implement these techniques using Optio. And so the way that works is you map your value stream in a web browser using a mouse, and click and drag and drop stations onto a map. This is a value stream in a manufacturing facility. You then learn how to visualize Kanban cards, how to see a heat map of where things are not going well, and then how to connect to your shop floor using simple dashboards and have your workers enter information or copy and paste lots in from Excel, and so on. So I hope I could spur your interest in Lean and our software. The book is available for free for download on our website, optio.cloud, or you can purchase it from Amazon. Thank you very much for watching.